Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in 4K resolution on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode, tap on three stripes here, and here you can switch its resolution. So like you have 720p, 1080p, and also 4K resolution, and that's how you can enable it. So yeah, now you can record videos in the highest possible resolution. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.